Giraffe Tools has some cool products for outdoor living. Today I'm checking out their ground-mounted retractable hose reel with 82 feet of half-inch garden hose. I'm going to show you what's in the box, how to install the unit, and what makes it a great addition to your garden space or deck. First, the unboxing. In addition to the retractable hose reel itself, you'll find 4 long anchors for ground installation, 4 screws with plastic anchors, also a leader hose to connect to your spigot, a hose holder, a heavy-duty hose nozzle, and of course the installation guide. Alright, we're diving right in. I'm installing this hose reel near my garden. There's 82 feet of hose length, so I can get to pretty much everything I'd want to water by hand. I'm opting for the ground installation instead of into concrete because I'll be taking this unit indoors during the winter months. There's a picture of the hose anatomy on the Amazon page indicating that it's kink resistant, tear resistant, and explosion proof. No hoses exploding on my watch. Not today. The unit works best in a flat space, and it's got a handle on top for easy transport. I'm placing it close to my spigot so the leader hose can reach. It's a pretty short leader hose at under 6 feet, but that's not a deal breaker, as you can put another hose in line to the spigot if you need more distance. Now for installation, I'll need a rubber mallet, some Teflon tape, and a pipe wrench. Of course, if you're mounting it to concrete, you'll also need a hammer drill. After positioning the hose reel, I simply pound in the 4 heavy-duty garden pins to lock it into place. Next, I connect the unit to my spigot with the leader hose. This is where the Teflon tape and the pipe wrench come in handy. The gasket in the leader hose can be a bit squirrely and try to pop out on you, so just make sure it stays where it's supposed to so you don't get wet. Next, I attach the hose holder and then I add the nozzle. I like this nozzle. 9 modes, heavy duty, and it feels nice in my hand. I decide to go ahead and see what it's made of by skipping the Teflon tape step when attaching the nozzle to the hose. And I only hand tighten it. And hey, apparently no Teflon tape is needed. This thing doesn't leak at all. Very nice. Something else I like about this nozzle is how easy it is to use. Simple switching between the 9 modes, but also it can be turned on and off with just one hand. If you've got a decent thumb, then you're in business. Okay, let's see if the hose reel is worth the money. Here's how it works. Pull on the hose to the desired length and it locks into place. You can even set it on the ground and it's not going anywhere. When you're done watering, give it a little tug and it reels back up to the bumper, leaving just enough length to hang it on the hose holder. I did this several times trying to cause it to miss or mess up. I pulled fast, I pulled the hose to the end, I even let the reel draw the hose in without me holding on to it. It worked like a charm, every time. The only issue I had with this product has to do with the door to the inside of the hose reel. It comes open easy, but it's not so easy to put back into place. Other than that, man, this is a cool rig. It'd be a great addition to any deck or garden. As a matter of fact, after my wife checked this thing out, she fell in love with it and informed me that this was now her hose reel. If you're looking for a way to water your plants without the appearance of an endless wasteland of tangled garden hose, this unit is worth checking out. Thanks for watching. See you next time.